What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer, and it's iPhone day. Sort of. Not the crazy iPhones, but today we are checking out some new iPhones that Apple recently announced. We got a nice little package over here, so they've got a few other things. So let's get to unboxing. All right, we'll start with some of the stuff that we're a little more familiar with. Let's check out some iPhones. Well, they're all iPhones. Okay, so we're gonna kick things off with the new iPhone 13. So let's take a look. Let's pop this box open. I still can't get over how small these new boxes are. So we've got like a deep, like forest green. We've seen Apple do this in the past where they come out with these refreshes with new colors. I think the last one was what, like that purple one, right? Carl, you should know, you love purple. I know it's purple, okay? Doesn't look bad. If you've been holding off for a green iPhone, you want that leafy iPhone, it's here now. Now, we don't need to go through the rest of the box, right? We've seen this a million times, but they did come out with a new color for the Pro as well, which looks a little bit different. And here we have the Pro model. Okay, now, you know what? I thought this was gonna look a lot like the midnight green from like the iPhone 11, but it's greener.
Yes.
It's definitely greener than that. And look at the sides. It's got that stainless steel, nice green finish to it. It actually looks pretty clean. Green was the color you were waiting for if you were like, dang, Apple, why didn't you come out with a green one like I am every year with the teal? This is the option that you want. But honestly, that's about it. Like, they didn't change anything up besides the color, so just got that green color now and that alpine green. But they both look good, so I'm here for it. My apologies, you guys. 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. So we just got some color refreshes for the 13 models, which, dang, they got fingerprints already. But they also got green cases now. Now, I mean, they're green cases, right? Maybe there's some of that Apple magic in here.
They're two different cases?
No,
Oh.
they're the same. Listen, I'm telling you, there's gonna be some Apple magic in here, and the magic is MagSafe. No, I'm just joking, guys. They're green cases. So if you pick up one of the green models, you wanna throw it in a green case, there you have it. Are we spending too much time on the green?
Bro, green is nasty.
You said green is nasty?
I don't like green.
Oh, it's disrespectful. Teal is literally like blue and green.
I mean, I love blue, I love teal, but green?
You're entitled to your opinion. You ain't getting fired because of that. But okay, we got green cases. Let's move on to something really important, the new iPhone SE. This is a very familiar design. This is the design of what, like the iPhone 8, I believe. But they upgraded the internals. You know what? Let's just pop it out the box first. Ooh. I don't remember Apple having like the little indicators on the sticker that it comes with.
No.
I don't remember that. That's interesting. Okay. It looks so close to like the white or silver, but this is Starlight. As you can see, it's got a bit of a hint of, it's like an off-white kind of finish, aluminum finish over here. But the rest does pretty much look like it's white. But overall, this body is similar to what we saw with the iPhone 8 and the previous iPhone SE. And if you didn't know, SE means like special edition, but it's pretty much one of their older devices with crazy spec bumps that allows it to be at a very, very inexpensive price. This is going to retail for about 430 bucks. It's a $30 increase compared to the previous generation, which came out, what, in 2020? But this guy has been upgraded with the A15 Bionic, so it's just as powerful as an iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, but you get it for so much less. So you've got an insane amount of power here when it comes to the processor, which also unlocks a few other features when it comes to the camera, which we'll talk about in a second. But the body overall, you're still going to get, oh, that was kind of blasphemous, wasn't it? I just kind of ripped this off. I didn't do the whole tech peel. Damn, my bad, y'all. But this one does have like those bezels at the top and bottom, but you also get that home button, so you have access to Touch ID. I miss the days of Touch ID. I wish Apple would just put it in the power button or something. Just right here, Touch ID, bam. That would be so nice. They do it with the iPad Air, so it's like, iPhone, let's go, let's do it. But that's neither here nor there. This guy does have Touch ID and the original home button. So it's, you know, very old school. Now, because this thing is rocking the latest chip, like I said, it has all the power of the newer devices, but it also should improve battery life, which with the original SE was not one of its strong points, but with better power efficiency and all that good stuff, this one should last longer. So that's something we're gonna be testing out. Jay, I guess we gotta do like a real day in the life. But with the new chip, you get access to new features, you get camera improvements. I believe this is a 12 megapixel shooter back here, but you do get a bunch of camera features that you would find on some of the newer devices because it has access to the kind of power that the A15 Bionic brings it. That makes this more powerful than, I think, the iPhone 11, iPhone 12, that's all still on sale. Of course, you are making compromises when it comes to the camera system, and you are losing out on the larger display, but at 429 bucks, who's complaining, right? You get a phone that can last you a few years for that kind of price, and it's an iPhone, so you get on that iMessage, come on, it might be worth it. But we'll talk more about that in a full review. Let's see, they sent over a case for it too, right? Yeah, of course.
Definitely better than the green one.
Yeah, it is. I'm with you on that one, and bam. So they got case options as well. I think some people were hoping to see MagSafe come to the new SEs. But if you think about it, I mean, the SE isn't necessarily the phone you want if you're looking for all the features an iPhone really has, because it's just not that. It's like your entry point into iPhones, I guess, you know, since it's the lowest price. It's not necessarily about having the craziest hardware, more so about having the internals that you need as well as the software. That's kind of what the SE is for. This is the kind of phone I buy for my mom. You know, my mom's not gonna use the ultra wide lens. She needs one lens so she doesn't get confused or anything. And she just needs it to be able to last her a few years, which with the A15, she'll definitely be able to do that. And it's not a crazy investment because it's only 400 bucks. But what do you guys think of the SE? Is this something that you would pick up maybe to have as a secondary phone, or maybe you pick it up for someone as a gift if you don't want to invest like $1,000 since they might not use all the features? Why would you pick up the iPhone SE? Would you guys be interested in getting your hands on one of these? Let me know with a comment down below. Apple announced a few other things like the Mac Studio, the new monitor. So be on the lookout for future videos. We're gonna cover everything that Apple announced. But till next video, guys, your average consumer. Peace. Stay tuned for more Apple content coming soon.
I like that shit.
You like this? All right, trade your phone for it.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
I've cracked back.